Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the error "this site can't be reached" in Google Chrome web browser. So you must have faced this error "this site can't be reached." So how can you resolve this issue? So I'll tell you 7 methods to resolve this issue, and after every method you have to just test whether you are able to reach that website or not. And I also want to tell you that this method is applicable on both Windows 7 and Windows 10. So now let's start with method 1. So method 1 is just a simple check. You have to just make sure that your date, that is the system date and time, should be the present date and time. So if the date is not correct in your system, then just go to change date and time setting and just correct it. So just make sure that the date and time on your system are current date and time. So this was method number 1. Now we'll see method number 2. Just open the Google Chrome, click on these 3 dots, click on settings, scroll a little bit, just click on advanced, and under the system section just click on open your computer proxy setting. Now just click on the button LAN settings and make sure that this option is checked, automatically detect settings. Click OK, click OK. So this was method number 2. Now method number 3 is that just go to the network icon, right click over it and click on the option troubleshoot problem. So this is the system troubleshooter and it will automatically detect any network problem and fix this issue. So just try this out and see whether you are able to resolve it or not. Now method number 4 is that just go to the search bar and type CMD, and just go to this CMD, right click over this and click on the option run as administrator. Click yes. Now type in some commands: netsh winsock reset catalog and hit enter. And after this just type another command: netsh int ip ipv4 reset dot log and hit enter. Now just restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. So this was method number 4. Now method number 5 is just go to the network icon, right click over it and click on the option open network and sharing center. Click on this connection, wireless network connection AB. Now click on this option properties. Now click on internet protocol version 4 and then click on the button properties. Now just select this option, use the following DNS server address. Type 8 8 8 and 8, and in the alternate DNS server just type 8 8 4 4 and just click on the OK button. Close this, close this. So this was method number 5. Now we'll see method number 6. Just open your Chrome browser and now we'll install a proxy server in your Chrome web browser. So just click on these three dots, go to more tools, click on the option extensions. Click on this hamburger menu icon and click on this option open Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar type browsec and hit enter. Now just add this VPN, browsec VPN, to your Chrome browser. Click on this button add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Now just click on this option and click on browsec VPN. Just toggle this on and you can choose whatever location you want to choose from here. So what this VPN will do is that it will hide your current location and this will help you reach the website that you want to reach. So you can select any of the option that you want to. So whenever you want to use this VPN, make sure that this toggle should be on. Now when you will do the browsing, you will able to reach the website without any problem. So this was method number 6. Now method number 7 is that disable your antivirus or firewall. So just type in the search bar firewall. Click on Windows Firewall option and click on this link turn Windows Firewall on or off. Click on this radio button turn off Windows Firewall and again click on this option turn off Windows Firewall for both home and public network. Click on OK and just restart your system. So this was method number 7. So these were the 7 methods that you can try out to fix this issue of this site can't be reached in Google Chrome web browser. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.